Number 59. The equation of the tangent line to f of x at x equals 3 is y is equal to 20x minus 51. What is the value of k? And we're given a function, f of x is kx squared minus kx minus 15. So we have the equation of the tangent line, y is equal to 20x minus 51. And this is in slope-intercept form, y is equal to mx plus b. So the slope, that's going to be our m value. So we know that the slope of the tangent line is 20. And this particular tangent line, it touches f of x at x equals 3. That means that this value is equal to f prime of 3. So we have the value of the derivative of f of x at x equals 3, and it's 20, the slope of the tangent line. So to find k, we need to find f prime of x. The derivative of x squared is 2x, the derivative of x is 1, and the derivative of negative 15 is 0. Now, let's replace x with 3. So this is going to be k times 2 times 3 minus k. And f prime of 3, we can see that it's equal to 20. 2 times 3 times k is 6k, and this is minus 1k. 6k minus 1k is 5k. And dividing both sides by 5, we get k is 20 divided by 5, which is 4. So that is the value of k in this problem. Therefore, D is the correct answer.